This is my go-to selfie stick. Let me show you how it works. And just press record button. It's awesome. You can deploy the tripod by pressing down on this button. And to collapse it, simply push it down. When fully collapsed, it's about 11 inches long. Let me show you how tall it goes when fully deployed. You can also use it in a selfie stick mode by pulling this part out and without having to deploy the tripod. But in this test, in order to show you the full length, and that's fully deployed. It's about 61.5 inches tall. The height of this tripod is tall enough for regular use, and it's quite sturdy. The clamp is fully padded and it's not going to scratch the phone. Can be a tabletop tripod as well. Let's take a look at the clamp. It does slide up and down. It has positive stops at 45 degrees and 90 degrees. It does not fold down this way, but it can go down like this. This rechargeable remote is pretty helpful when you are trying to take a selfie like this, and just press record button. It's awesome. I really appreciate the fact that the remote can be removed for recharging, so I don't have to keep buying button batteries. You can use the included micro USB cable to charge this remote, and it works perfectly with my iPhone, and it should also work with Android phones. I'm gonna press this button to stop recording.